Hello and welcome. I was going through the specimen question paper from the subject Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. So this is year 2025 specimen paper, and I came across one question. Let me scroll down and show you the question. So look at question 3, part 3. We have to write a Python program to plot a bar chart using the matplotlib library. Your program should import the necessary libraries, create a list of categories and their corresponding values, plot a bar chart with appropriate labels and a title. So I found this question interesting and I felt like sharing the solution to this question. So let's write the code for this question. So if you haven't yet installed the matplot library, you need to install it first. And obviously, you need to install Python first. So once Python is installed, but you haven't installed matplot library, then you can install this library by typing the command pip install matplot library. You need to be connected to the internet, so it will download necessary files and it will install this library. So you can see that the library has been installed and now we are ready to write our program. So here I have created a file myapp.py. Let's import the necessary module to generate our chart. So we will write import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So we are importing this module as plt. Then our chart is going to have categories and values. So we can create a list of categories. So let's add some names here. Let's say Rahul, Seema, Richa, and Ravi. And let's add one more, Karan, 5 names. And each of these categories will have their own marks. So we can write another list, values equals, let's say Rahul scored 45 marks, Seema scored 48 marks, Richa 40 marks, Ravi 42 marks, and Karan 47 marks, let's say. Now, once we have our categories and values, we can create our bar chart. So we can write plt.bar. So bar is the method here, which will help us create this chart. So we will pass the categories, the values, and we will also mention the color. So color is equal to, let's say, sky blue. So this will be the color for the bars that will be generated. Next, we will also add title. So we will write plt.title, the title to our chart. So let's say student marks. This will be the title. Then we will also add title for our x-axis and y-axis. So x label. So this x label is for the categories. So we can write names and plt.y label. So here we are representing the marks. So we can write marks. And once we have finished giving the labels, now we can show the chart. So we can write plt.show. And our program is complete. Let's check the output. So to execute the program, we will type Python and we will provide the file name. So myapp.py. and we press enter, and you can see now that this chart is being displayed, and you can also see the color of the bars, sky blue. So that's all in this class. I hope you have understood how to solve this Python program that appeared in Robotics and AI Specimen paper. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next class.